My dream of India. My dream. I dream of an India where is employment for all and everyone is satisfied and happy. I dream of an India where many scientists are engaged in doing significant researches. An India which is a leader not only in making new discoveries or inventions but also in spirituality. An India with an excellent network of roads and bridges connecting even the remotest part. An India which would be known for great scientific and technological advancements. Every person plans and cares for a minimum of 10 to 10, where wildlife is safe from poachers, where man lives in harmony with nature, where no one is afraid of speaking the truth, where there is no corruption, and where every Indian is proud of being an Indian. I dream of an India where there is no crime in the country. The marketplaces and roads are spotlessly clean and maintained. I dream of an India where farmers are respected as much as any other professional, where people are not superstitious. An India which is not only superior in science and technology, but also in sports, where we are able to win maximum medals in Olympics and other international games. This is the India of my dream. This is the India in which I want to live, the India of which I am a proud citizen. This is my India, a great country dominating the international scene, a land of peace, prosperity and plenty. In the end, I dream of an India as described by Rabindranath Tagore as where the head is held high, where the mind is without fear, into that heaven of freedom. Oh Lord, let my country awake. So dear friends, being the proud future citizen of this country and to realize this dream, we all should unite and come together. Thank you one and all. I wish you a happy Independence Day.